Hi friends, in this video we talk about steady state error related problems asked in a previous year GATE examination. The first question is the feedback system shown in figure has 0 steady state position error, 0 steady state velocity error, steady state position error with k by 10 units, steady state velocity error k by 10 units. So first we have to find, before finding the steady state error, we have to find the error coefficient. So we find first position error coefficient. Position error coefficient is limit s tends to 0 g of s into h of s. So limit s tends to 0 g of s is k by s into s plus 10. Feedback gain is 1. So this is what, when you substitute s is equal to 0, what you get is infinity. So steady state error due to position error is 1 by infinity 0. Okay. Let us find the velocity error coefficient. So limit s tends to 0. This is s into g of s h of s. So limit s tends to 0. Yes, g of s h of s is k by s into s plus 10. This will be cancelled. So it is k by 10. So what is the error due to velocity error of velocity error coefficient? 1 by kv. So 1 by k by 10 is 10 by k. So what is the thing we are understanding from this? Steady state position error is 0. That's what it indicates. Right? Velocity error is 10 by k. So from this we understand we got 0 steady state position error. But velocity error is, what is that? It is 10 by k, not k by 10. So this is also wrong answer. Right? So what is the correct answer? It is 0 steady state position error. Because of the position coefficient, we got error as 0. Because of the velocity coefficient, we got error as 10 by k, not k by 10. So this is the wrong answer. A is the right answer. 0 steady state velocity error, no, it is not a correct answer. Position error is 0, already we know, so it is also wrong answer. Okay. Next one, the steady state error of stable type 0 unity feedback system for a unit step function is, we know for unit step function, steady state error for type 0, for type 0 system, steady state error is 1 by 1 plus kp. So option B is the right answer. Okay. Next, third question. A unity feedback control system has the open loop transfer function g of s is given. If the input to a system is unit ramp, what is the steady state error? So what is g of s h of s? G of s h of s is 4 into 1 plus 2s divided by s squared into s plus 2. So what is the input? Input is ramp input. Input is ramp. For ramp input, we have only type 1 system has error, others having no error. So you see it is type 2 system, right? So for type 2 system, this is type 2. For type 2 system, ramp input steady state error is 0. So the answer is option A. Directly we can write answer A. Anyway, we find. So what is the error due to the ramp input? 1 by 1 by kV. So what is kV? kV is limit s tends to 0, s into g of s h of s. g of s h of s is 4 into 1 plus 2s. I write properly, 4 into 1 plus 2s. 4 into 1 plus 2s divided by s squared into s plus 2. This cancel. When you substitute s is equal to 0, what you get is infinity. So what about ESS? ESS is 1 by infinity. That is kV is equal to infinity. ESS is 1 by infinity 0. So this is a procedure, but don't waste time. By seeing the question itself, we can say it is type 2. For type 2 system, for unit ramp, steady state error is 0 only. Directly you can answer. Okay. The poles of a continuous time oscillator are, we know, when the poles are in j omega axis like this, then it is purely oscillatory. Right? So what type of poles it is? That means poles are purely imaginary. When poles are purely imaginary, the system will oscillate. So the answer is purely imaginary. Okay. The final value theorem is used to find, we know final value theorem is used to find steady state value of system. That's what we know. It's a direct question. Okay. Next, the step error coefficient of a system with unity feedback. So G of S, H of S, they are given. G of S, H of S is equal to 1 by S plus 6 into S plus 1. Step error coefficient. Step error coefficient is nothing but Kp. Kp is limit S tends to 0, G of S, H of S. This indicates Kp is equal to limit S tends to 0, 1 by S plus 6 into S plus 1, that is 1 by 6. So option A is a right answer. Okay. Next question. If L of f of t is equal to 2s plus 1 divided by s square plus 2s plus 5, then f0 plus f infinity are given by. So f0 plus means what? They are asking about initial value. Initial value theorem is limit s, f0 is s tends to 0, s into f of s. So limit s tends to 0. This is the initial value theorem. So limit s into f of s is 2 into s plus 1 divided by s square plus 2s 5. So what is the thing? So limit s tends to 0, this s tends to infinity. Please know this. Okay, this s tends to 0, this is 0, right? So when I substitute, okay, sorry, here limit, okay, f of 0 means limit t tends to 0, f of t, so it will be s tends to infinity. So please change this. This is s tends to infinity. So s tends to infinity. So infinity by infinity, we should not do like that. What we have to do, I take s outside. So s squared into 2, 1 plus 1 by s. From denominator, I take s squared outside. So 1 plus 2 by s plus 5 by s squared. This s squared will be cancelled. 2 into 1 by infinity divided by 1 plus 2 by infinity plus 5 by infinity, that is equal to 2. So initial value f of 0 plus is 2. F of 0 plus is 2. What about final value? F of infinity is limit s tends to 0, s into this one. 2 into 1 plus s divided by s squared plus 2s plus 5. So s squared plus 2s plus 5. So s0 indicates it is 0. So final value f infinity is 0. F infinity is 0. So initial value to final value 0. So it is 2, 0. The option B is a right answer. Next question, consider a unity feedback control system with two open loop transfer function g of s. They have given the steady state error of the system due to step input. So they have given g of s, h of s. H of s is 1, so k by s into s plus 1. So what is the input? Step. But you see type is 1. For type 1 system, steady state error due to step input is 0. Right? So the answer is 0. Directly you can write. If you want to put properly in the mathematical form, you can do, but it's a waste of time. Directly you can write the answer. Next question is, if f of s is equal to omega by s squared plus omega squared. So if f of s is equal to omega by s squared plus omega squared, then value of limit t tends to infinity f of t, where f of t is the Laplace transform of f of t. So what is the thing? They are asking limit t tends to infinity f of t. That is equal to f of s only they have given, so we use final value theorem. So s tends to 0, s into f of s. Right? So that we can write as limit s tends to 0, s into f of s is omega by s square plus omega square. But here you see, here the poles are at s is equal to plus or minus j omega. Fine. So poles at S is equal to plus or minus j omega. If poles are at imaginary axis, we cannot use final value theorem. So we cannot find limit t tends to infinity s in f of t. So the answer is it cannot be determined. So don't put substitute the values and say it is 1. It is wrong answer, right? Okay. Next one. For a unity feedback control system shown in the figure, the open loop transfer function g of s is given by this one. What is the steady state error due to step input? So a simple problem as usual. G of s is they are given 2 by s into s plus 1. What is the thing we have to do? G of s into h of s, that is 2 by s into s plus 1. So it is type 1 system. You see type 1 system, input is step input. For step input, the error is 0. For step input, ES is 0. For step input, type 1 system. Right? So option A is the right answer. Directly you can write. No need to substitute anything. We can find. Otherwise, if you want to find the answer by formula, what is the thing? Type 1 has what is a position error constant? First we have to find. So it is limit g of s into h of s. So limit s tends to 0. This will give limit s tends to 0. G of s h of s is 2 by s into s plus 1. That is 2 by 0 is infinity. Right? So ess is 1 by 1 plus kp. That is 0. Right? No need to do all the things. Directly you can write. It's a type 1 system. So if you substitute the value, you will get 0. Next. The open loop transfer function they are given where p is an integer connected in unity feedback configuration as shown in the figure. Given that steady state error is 0 for unit step input, 6 for unit ramp input, what is the value of the parameter? So they are given g of s, h of s. G of s is s plus 1 divided by s power p into s plus 2 into s plus 3. H of s is 1. What is the thing? Steady state error for step input. For step input, ESS is 0. For ramp input, ESS is 6. So what is the thing they are asking about? P. Right? So you see step input is 0 for type 1 system. Yes or no? So ESS due to step input is 0 only for type 1 system. Right? So this condition is satisfied only the system is type 1. That we know. Right? So if you put type 1 p is equal to 1, what will happen? The velocity error constant will be, let us assume p is equal to 1. P is equal to 1 means kv will be equal to limit s tends to 0, s into g of s h of s. So s plus 1 divided by, instead of p I substitute 1, s plus 2 s plus 3 into s plus 3. So what will happen? This will be cancelled. So it will be 1 by 6. So when p is equal to 1 for this is 1 by 6. What is the error? Error is 1 by kV. So it is 6. So when p is equal to 1, velocity error due to ramp is 6. So I come to the conclusion that p must be equal to 1. When p is equal to 1, step input error is 0, ramp input error is 6. So the value of p is 1. Right? So I hope you understand this concept clearly. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. I will clarify. Thank you.